Here's a few cool things you can do on your active listings page to work smarter and more conveniently. You get to this page through your Seller Hub by clicking on your active listings link. By default, you're going to see 50 listings here. And if you have more than that, you might want to choose to switch this down the bottom here to view 100 or 200 at a time. The next thing you might want to do is to customize your view. You can see, for example, that I have to scroll sideways to see all the columns here, and that I'm not even using the custom label column, which is one people use to create a hidden field that only they can see, and usually that tells them where their item is stored. And we'll talk about that in another video. But if you want to customize what columns you're seeing and the order, you go up to Customize and you get to choose what you see. There's all kinds of possibilities here. I think I don't want to see the custom label. I don't think I want to see anything about promotions. The rest of these things, probably pretty good. You can also change the order in which the columns appear. If you wanted the available quantity before the format, you click on it and move it up the ladder there. Hit save, and it will reconfigure your columns. And now I don't have that custom field column, so my things all fit on the page now, which is great. And I can recustomize whenever I want to suit my working style. The other thing that I love about this page now that didn't used to be the case is that you can edit certain fields right from this table here without going into the individual listings. You can edit the price right from here by clicking on to this little pencil icon, just typing in a new price. In the olden days, you had to go into the listing itself to do this, which took a lot longer. There it is. You can also do the same thing with the available quantity. And if you're using custom labels, you can also edit those from here. The last little trick for this page, and you probably know this, but you can select several items with these checkboxes and then use these menus up here to edit multiple things at once. So you could end them or change the format, send offers, add best offer, all sorts of things. And you can also do these various promotional activities from this menu, or you can use this edit menu to take you to the bulk listing editor, which we'll talk about in more detail later, but it's also pretty self-explanatory if you open it up. You can also select all the listings with this checkbox or deselect all the listings with that checkbox. You can also sort by these columns by clicking on the column headings. This is really handy for sorting by price, highest to lowest or lowest to highest. So all these things are handy to know and will help you to work faster and with greater ease. I hope at least one of these tips helps you to navigate this page faster and easier. Thanks and take care.